Have you ever pondered the elements of success in affiliate marketing? It's like a jigsaw puzzle, isn't it? Each piece of the puzzle contributes to the larger picture, and when all the pieces fit together, voila, you have a masterpiece. In the next 7 minutes, we'll delve into this fascinating picture of success in affiliate marketing, breaking it down into clear, manageable steps. First, let's consider the foundation of your affiliate marketing venture: choosing the right affiliate program. It's like selecting the right puzzle box. You want something that aligns with your interests, your values, and your audience. Carefully research and choose an affiliate program that offers a product or service you believe in and can confidently promote. Then, we move on to the second piece of the puzzle: understanding your audience. It's about knowing what your audience needs, what they value, and how the product or service you're promoting can meet those needs. Remember, the key here is to provide value to your audience, not just sell a product. Next comes the third piece: creating high-quality content. This is the heart of your affiliate marketing strategy. High-quality, engaging content attracts and retains your audience. It builds trust, and trust leads to conversions. So focus on creating content that is informative, engaging, and valuable. Our fourth piece is optimizing for SEO. Now, this is a big one. You could have the most incredible content out there, but if your audience can't find it, it's like a lost puzzle piece. SEO helps your content get discovered by your target audience. So invest time in learning about SEO best practices and implement them. The fifth and final piece of our puzzle is monitoring and adjusting your strategy. This is about being adaptable. Affiliate marketing is not a set it and forget it kind of thing. It requires regular monitoring, analyzing, and tweaking based on your performance metrics. So there you have it. 5 essential steps to succeed in affiliate marketing. 1. Choosing the right affiliate program. 2. Understanding your audience. 3. Creating high-quality content. 4. Optimizing for SEO. 1. Monitoring and adjusting your strategy. Remember, success in affiliate marketing doesn't happen overnight. It's a journey. But with patience, persistence, and the right strategy, you can piece together your own masterpiece. So as we step into a new year, why not make it your resolution to master these steps and achieve success in affiliate marketing? After all, a journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Let that step be the start of your success story in affiliate marketing. For those seeking more detailed guidance and best practices, you can find a link in the description below. This comprehensive guide provides you with step-by-step instructions, tips, and strategies to succeed in affiliate marketing. It's a valuable resource for both beginners embarking on their journey and experienced marketers looking to refine their strategies. So, don't wait. Click on the link and start your journey to success in affiliate marketing today.